Da, 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 da. There we go. Hangover. Wild Mouse XXL in the distance. We've also got the Euro coaster, and of course the largest travelling roller coaster in the world. It is the Olympia Looping, also known as Munchie De-Looping. Here we go, we're halfway up, 40 metres in the air. We've got to reach the highest point of this ride, which is 85 metres. It's taller than Apocalypse at Drayton Manor, but it's the forcefulness bigger than Drayton Manor, and my hands are freezing holding this pole. Oh.
I just wish I was more secure. I feel like I'm really oh, it's great.
Here we go, we're at the top, the highest point of the ride now. When's it going to drop? I guess it's going to drop very quickly. The anticipation is building. It's going to be soon. Here we go. It's Hangover, 85 metres tall, up in the air.